Wow. Hey, Doc Martinez here. March 3rd is International Irish Whiskey Day. So what better day than to have a Jameson Old Fashioned? But wait, what is International Irish Whiskey Day? Well, I'm glad you asked. This is created over a decade ago by an international whiskey, sometimes spelled whiskey, writer named Stuart McNamara. He was getting frustrated that Irish whiskey was hyped as a shot type of drink outside of Ireland and not taking into consideration the history and culture of every glass of Irish whiskey. So why did he choose March 3rd? It's because of the significance of 3 in Ireland. 3 leaves on a shamrock, 3 colors of the Irish flag, and even 3 types of Irish whiskey. Cocktail quiz time! What are the 3 types of Irish whiskey? Stay tuned to find out. By tradition, even the whiskey is triple distilled and the spirit must be matured for 3 years to be considered Irish whiskey. So 3-3, March 3rd seemed to be the obvious choice for an annual International Irish Whiskey Day. So let's start making a Jameson Old Fashioned. We're going to fill a mixing glass with ice, and then we're going to add 2 ounces of Jameson Black Barrel. Then add 0.75 parts simple syrup, 2 dashes of orange bitters, 1 dash soda water. We're going to stir until cold, strain into a glass. Then let's squeeze the oils from an orange peel over the glass. Cocktail quiz time! What are the 3 types of Irish whiskeys? The answer is single malt, single grain, and uniquely Irish single pot still. So here you have it, a Jameson Old Fashioned whiskey. Wow. A little bit of kick, a little bit of spiciness, and a hint of vanilla. A very good drink. So go out and enjoy this Irish influenced drink and maybe even kiss an Irish. Thank you for joining me on my old fashioned rabbit hole. Check out the next video.